students, welcome back to Sandy Penny Educational Academy. So today we are going to continue the chapter, that is contraction and expansion. Most substance expand on heating and contract on cooling. बहुत सारे substance है ऐसे जो हीटिंग पे एक्सपांड होते हैं और कूलिंग पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. When the substance expand it occupy more space and when it contract it occupy less space. ऐसा है कि जब expand होते हैं तो उनको ज़्यादा space चाहिए और जब contract होते हैं तो उनको कम space चाहिए. When a substance is heated the molecule of a substance begin to vibrate and move faster. जब एक substance heat होता है तो उसका molecule है वो substance का वो vibrate करने लग जाता है और जल्दी जल्दी move होने लग जाता है. These molecules then move away from each other and substance expand. फिर ये molecule एक दूसरे से move होने लग जाते हैं और वो substance है वो expand हो जाता है. When a substance is cooled, the movement of its molecules slow down and they come closer together. जैसे ही substance cool हो जाता है तो वो जो movement है molecule का वो एकदम slow down हो जाता है और ये एकदम close आ जाते हैं. The substance then occupies less space and contract. और फिर वो substance है वो कम space लेता है और उसको contract कर देता है. Solid show the least amount of expansion and contraction due to the strong intermolecular force attraction between the molecule. Solid है वो बहुत कम है contraction और expansion दिखाता है because उनके अंदर intermolecular force है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Gases contract and expand more easily as the molecules are free from each other. Gases में expand और contract बहुत easily हो जाता है because वो molecules पहले ही एक दूसरे से अलग अलग होते हैं. Then contraction and expansion is liquid is more than solid but less than gases. और जो contraction expansion और liquid का है वो solid से ज़्यादा है और gases से कम है. Solutions. So soluble and insoluble solid. Solid may or may not dissolve in a liquid. Solid which completely dissolve in a liquid are called soluble, and the liquid which are not completely dissolved in solid are called as insoluble. So example, that salt is added to water, it completely dissolve, and when the sand is added to water, it will not dissolve. Liquid formed when a solid completely dissolve in it, it is called a solution. For example, when sugar completely dissolve in water, then it is called sugar solution. Miscible and is immiscible. Liquid when the two liquids mix to each other are called miscible, and the two liquids which did not mix to each other are called immiscible. Like oil and water are immiscible, and milk and so on alcohol with water is called as miscible. Now what are your answers? Solid, liquid, gas, the three states. Dash is the smallest unit of matter, atom. When the water changes from one state to another, there is a change in dash of molecules, arrangement. Change in dash leads to change of states, temperature. The temperature at which liquid change into gas is called its boiling point. True or false? Molecules are made up of atoms. True. Intermolecular force of attraction are different in each matter. True. Solid change into liquid on cooling. False. Solid change into liquid on heating. False. Melting point is the temperature at which solid change into liquid. True. And water boils at 0 degree. False. Matching, answers of matching. Then name the following. Everything that has mass occupies space is matter. The force that hold together molecule in different states of matter are intermolecular force. State of matter in which intermolecular force are very weak gases, and this to answer is 0 degree. Then solid have definite shape and volume, page number 119. See. Solid have definite shape and volume. Molecules in a solid are held together very closely. Liquid change into gaseous on heating. Then here answer. At boiling point, the molecules of liquid gain enough energy and break free, and liquid changes becomes a gas. Then substance expand on heating. 121. When substance is heated, the molecule of substance become vibrate and move faster this molecule away and from expand. Okay, then distinguish between melting and freezing. मेल्टिंग से हीटिंग तक है, फ्रीजिंग से कूलिंग तक है. एक्सप्लेन द प्रोसेस ऑफ इवापोरेशन. Evaporation is the process in which liquid changes into gaseous state. Explain expansion and contraction of substance. See, most substance expand on heating से space तक के, and when a substance is cooled से contract तक के. What are soluble and insoluble substance? So substance से liquid and solid से liquid. What are miscible and immiscible? So liquid which mix with each other are miscible, and some liquid which are not mixed with each other are immiscible. So you have done exercise question. Overview of the chapter is miscible, immiscible, soluble, insoluble, contraction, expansion, evaporation, condensation, changing of the states, and the constitution of matter, that is liquid, gas, and solid, and then what is matter. Okay.